Hey everybody, welcome back to Travel Trailer Nation. Is it time to get intimate with your travel trailer? And when I say intimate, what I really mean is getting to know how it's constructed and how each part works together. In our current travel trailer, the Imagine, I've done plumbing, electrical, propane lines, wheel bearings, slide motors, and I've even rebuilt two of the cabinets in there. And who knows, maybe I'll end up rebuilding another cabinet. Just don't know. But should you be working on your travel trailer? Well, it kind of depends on how you answer the following questions. First question, are you mechanically inclined? If you are, that's great. Personally, my dad was never mechanically inclined. We used to call him the anti-handyman, but he didn't have a problem if we wanted to work on things and try and fix things. So being mechanically inclined is going to give you an advantage. Two, do you have the appropriate tools? And there's a wide variety and quality on tools, as you probably know. Having the right tool for the right job and making sure that it's a good tool is going to increase your chances for success. Number three, have you done this repair before, or is it something that easily falls within your capabilities? Very important. If you've done it before, it's probably not going to be an issue. And if you haven't done it, but you feel very confident, then go ahead with it. Four, if the repair goes south, is it something that you're going to make worse so that you end up spending a lot of money trying to fix what you messed up? If you think that this thing could go awry and go south and cost you a lot of money and you wouldn't be able to repair it yourself if you messed it up, I would leave it to the professionals. I've rebuilt a lot of motorcycles. I've never messed with the engines. I've torn them down all the way to the frame, built them back up after they were powder coated and painted, put everything together, but I never did engine work because I know that's outside my area of expertise. Five, do you have all the safety equipment you need? Believe me, a trip to the hospital is going to be a lot more expensive than towing your trailer to an RV dealership or having a mobile repair tech come out and work on it. Inexperience can be overcome if you have a friend who can mentor you through a repair if you're not comfortable with it. YouTube is a great resource, but then again, keep in mind they edit those videos, so a lot of times they look a lot easier than they really are. Trust me, I've had to pound out a lot of wheel bearing races. You look online and watch videos and it looks like you can do a whole wheel bearing in 3 minutes. That's not the case. I've spent 10, 15 minutes trying to get some races out before. But anyway, doing wheel bearings is not a 3-minute job. So keep that in mind when you look at the videos. And lastly, and most importantly, doing your own work on a travel trailer isn't a requirement for ownership. It's a nice to have, okay? But for those of you who don't want to do that work or don't feel you're competent to do that work, you shouldn't be feeling guilty about it. Remember, there's absolutely no shame in having someone else work on your travel trailer. So until next time, have a great day.